Want to make your videos pop with eye-catching scrolling text like you see on news broadcasts or movie credits? Then stick around because I'm going to show you exactly how to add that scrolling text effect using Kinemaster, step by step. First, open up Kinemaster and create a new project, or open an existing one you want to add the scrolling text to. Next, tap on the Layer button. It's usually located on the right-hand side of your screen. From the options that appear, select Text. Now type in the text you want to scroll across the screen. This could be a news headline, a website address, or anything else you want to display. Tap the font icon and choose a font that fits your video style. Then, tap the color palette icon and select the color you want for your text. You can also adjust the size of your text using the size slider. Drag your text box to either the left or right edge of the screen, depending on the direction you want it to scroll from. Now, tap the keyframe icon. It looks like a diamond. Move the playhead to the beginning of your clip, add a keyframe at the start, then move the playhead to the end of your clip and add another keyframe. In the second keyframe, drag your text box all the way across the screen to the opposite edge, so it disappears off screen. Now play your video back. You should see your text smoothly scrolling across the screen. To adjust the speed, simply lengthen or shorten the text layer on the timeline. A longer layer means slower scrolling, and a shorter layer means faster scrolling. And that's it. You've successfully added scrolling text to your video in Kinemaster. Now you can make all sorts of awesome informative videos. Be sure to subscribe for more Kinemaster tutorials.